How to fix ear speaker on iPhone not working. So the first step is by opening your settings and then scroll down until you can see the accessibility. So click on accessibility, scroll down once again and go to hearing devices. Once you're right here, make sure to turn on the hearing aid compatibility and go back. Once you have done that, you should try calling someone. And then, if the problem is still continues, then you need to go back to accessibility. Go to touch right here, scroll down, and click on call audio routing. Click on it, and make sure to click on speaker right here. Go back and answer or make a call afterwards. Again, if you still have a problem, then I would suggest you to update your iOS. So go back to settings, go to general, go to software update and update your iOS right here. If the problem still continues, then I would suggest to go to the nearest Apple or Mac Center near your location to have assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix your speaker on iPhone not working.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.